happy weekend! Mimi and family is on the road again!
Continue on I-26 East for 55
Kay!
miles.
Si Kuya tulog guys eh. Alright guys, samahan nyo kami. Punta kami sa St. Augustine, Florida!
Georgia ka lang pala eh.
Lalagay natin sa vlog yan. Tumatay sa Welcome to Georgia!
Georgia ka lang pala.
Woo! Welcome to Georgia! Layo pa guys! 141 miles pa. Come on, Kay! Come on, Kay! Go! He's giving away stickers. Come on! Hi! Get the sticker. My little girl is so shy. Thank you. Thank you. You too. Bakit ayaw mo, Kay? Brisket. Ayan, brisketan. Brisket sa akin. Yan.
Other side, sige.
Ayoko ng chopped brisket. Ito pala. Big back and brisket. No, not that one. No, I want the whole brisket. I want the brisket, not that one. But slice. Yeah, this one. Slice brisket. Oh, look at that, guys. Wow. Up. Alright. Hello! That's awesome! Oh, there's the chips, the beaver chips. Oh, you can buy by pound. Per pound, 22 per pound. Super cool, guys. So they're gonna scoop. Big scooper. Yeah. Yeah, fudge, guys.
Push yourself, Wayne. Push yourself, Wayne. Only 10 more hours. Yep. fatty part right here on your right side of the corner. Those are flat. Yeah.
But look, since I'm gonna work on Friday and Sunday, look at that.
Plus 3
Look.
plug
So
weekend.
23 and then 25.
Oh,
Full time is 35 to 48 hours. Yeah.
yeah. Oh, there's plus 4 pag Sunday, kuya. Come on, Kay. Get a picture with Bakis. Come on, Kay. Dito ka. Look. Look. Look, Kay. Hi guys, try natin to. Bakis dark chocolate, guys. Try natin kung masarap. So wala pa tayo, guys, sa ating destinasyon. Kay, say hi, Kay. Kay, ano yan? Kay, ano yan? Tignan mo na yan.
It's all gay in the water.
Who's the gay?
There's all gay in the water.
Okay. Algae. Yan. Subukan natin si Dudong, guys. Oh, may mukha ni Bakis, guys. Oh, yan pala. Yan. Yan. Yan si Bakis.
Isba.
Yan. Tignan natin kung masarap. Tignan natin kung masarap, guys. Sarap ba? Ano? Pwede na? Dark chocolate? Anong husga mo? 1 out of 10. 5? 6? 2 out of 10! Grabe naman si Dudong, guys. Kaya tingnan natin. Ako naman titikim. Tingnan natin, ha? Husgahan natin. Husgahan natin ang dark chocolate ng Bakis. Ayan. Tingnan natin, guys, kung masarap. Okay lang.
Asang Pilipinas, ano lang. Mumurahin lang.
Ilang percent ba to? Basta dark chocolate yan sinabi, guys, ilang percent.
Gusto daw ni Kay.
Kaya, try it, my love. Try it, let me know. Papi, try it and let me know.
Duh!
Yung ba't blue yung mouth mo, yung tongue mo.
Because of my icy.
Ayun, guys, sa akin siguro yan, tama si Dudong. 3 out of 10. No, Dong? Di masarap, no? Wala, hindi gusto ni Dudong, guys. Gusto pa naman
Continue
ni
for
KK
1 mile.
daw. Gusto pa naman ni KK that mag-swimming daw. Oh, Daytona Beach na. Oh, Daytona Beach. Oh, Daytona Beach na. Nadong, lapit na to. Gising dong, gising. Talon-talon kanina sa banyo. Ba't kasi hindi kape yung binili mo?
Makataya ko.
Okay lang yan. Tatay ka. Pier, guys. Ang pier. Dito tayo sa tulay.
San Francisco Bridge.
No. Okay, sa kabila, guys. Yung mga ni Dodo, ang laki.
San Francisco Bridge.
Oh, ganda, oh. Oh, sa taas tayo ng bridge, guys. Yan. Natin ang view dito. Yun, oh, yun yung dagat, oh.
Matakot man na.
Bakit? Ano nakakatakot?
Takot man to.
Kasi Dudong, lahat na lang takot. Oo, yan, ganda na, guys, oh.
Takot din sa
Yan.
bridge na to.
Ha? Ano nakatakot?
Afraid!
Mas nakakatakot kayo sa QS. Yung pataas na ganun.
Yes.
Hindi pa natin yun na-vlog, eh. 365. Ganda yun. Gusto mo makita yung 365 yun nun. Sa tuktukan, nakaganon ko. Sa tuktok na ano, mataas na bridge.
Sorry.
Yun na yung truck. Ay, bus pala sa to. Ayan. Camper van. Camper van, guys.
Sorry.
Bilis naman nila, uy. Bilis ka! Ayan na, guys. Ayan tayo, guys. Oh, ganda ng view. Dagat na, guys. Yay! Dagat na tayo. Woo! Yay! O, ayan na naman. Ayan na naman, camper van. Pinuha din ang view ko. Uy, nasa na tayo? Wala na tayo nasa Spain na.
First,
Sa Spain na tayo dong.
Espanya.
Sa Espanya na. Lapit na kami guys. So, Avenida Menendez.
Oo, sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Ayun na.
Oo.
Oo, museum dito. Di pa tayo nakapasok dito.
Papasok tayo dyan.
Pasok ko tayo.
Yeah. Yung nag-tour tayo.
Hindi
Nag-tour tayo dyan.
Mabalang tayo. Hindi tayo pumasok. Dito tayo pumasok sa Lightner Museum.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh, diba?
Yeah, sa Lightner.
Hilig.
Ayun o, tour nila o. Ayun, ganda nito. Bakit di tayo dyan nag-stay? College pala. College pala yan. College pala yan. Ayun o, Starbucks o.
I remember touring here.
Yeah, we did tour here. Ayun na yung church o.
Marami mga tao dito.
Ayun na yung church. Oh, daming tao. Daming tourist oh.
Ayaw ko, daming tao.
Starbucks oh, the Lightner Museum oh.
Look at the dog. Oh my
Where? Where?
Head east
on K
Street toward Cordova Street.
Where? Hindi ko makita.
Wearing clothes.
Asan?
It's so hot. Why is he wearing clothes on the dog? So hot.
It already has its own coat.
Dami naman hanap dito, madam.
Oh, ang ganda oh. Starbucks oh, kapit tayo dyan. Daming tao? Ang ganun. Asan yung dog?
Oh, dog. Mom, look, he's crossing. Mom, he's crossing.
Hindi ko makita.
Oh my God.
Where's the dog guys?
He's walking it. Look.
Yun
It's
na.
close. Look, it's close.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Dami
It's
man
like
hanap
the
dito,
dog
madam.
of Rachel.
Ayun oh. Ayos yung tour na yun ah. Ganda yun ah. Yun oh.
Dami man hanap dito, madam.
Mom, why is there so many?
It's in here again.
Wow. Ito na tayo.
May kasalan kasi, oh. Wala.
Sana masalan.
Yan, oh, dito, oh. Casa Monica.
Oo, sana. Ba't hindi yan nagstay sa Casa Monica?
Resort and Spa.
Oo, ganda dyan, ah.
oh.
Oh, bakit dito? Hindi tayo dito. Oh.
Wala, puring na lang.
Ang dami dyan. Oh, bakit naka-shorts lang sila kuya? Ikaw
I'm
naka-pajama.
literally wearing shorts.
Ay, nako si kuya. Oh, yan na yung church. Oh, yan na oh.
May simba ngayon.
Oh, na mo. Simba na sila oh. Oh, yan na yung bagong lumang church. Oh.
November 10, Celebrate America.
Evening patriotic celebration fest na. Oh, yan na sila oh.
Dito tayo kumain, madam, oh.
Aha. Kala nila tayo pambayad ah. Ha. Yan tayo uli kakain. I know you.
Ayaw. Ayaw ko dyan.
I know you. Ha? Bakit naman?
May libre sa hotel.
Ayaw mo talaga. Wala daw. Walang libre. Wala. Gusto ko bibili. Pabili ako eh.
McDonald's.
Oh, yan na tayo sa bridge,
Jollibee
oh.
tayo kumain, Jollibee.
Wala silang breakfast ha ng
At the
Jollibee.
light, turn right onto
Late
Avenida
pa sila
Menendez,
nagbubukas, 10
then turn
o'clock.
right.
Jollibee.
10 o'clock pa nagbubukas ang Jollibee.
Alas 7, oy.
10 o'clock.
Alas 7.
Ano ko alas 7?
Tingnan mo. Ano mo, ha? Search mo ako.
Wala kaya. Ayan na yung tulay oh. Yay! Oh, mag-ride ka.
Oh, daming tao dito.
Oh, dyan tayo sa may tulay, naka-hotel.
Ba't daming tao?
Siyempre, tourist
ko,
pa
ano
din.
na,
Oo,
winter na.
masagasaan ha.
Wala ko winter na, madam.
Masagasaan mga kapitbahay ha.
Wala ko winter na, madam.
Yun yung Mario no? Yun o.
Saan?
Yun.
Where?
Yun, yung bahay na yun.
Oh.
Oh, di ba? Sa front, ano lang,
Bakit?
waterfront. Ano? Ano, hindi ka nasasama next. Yan guys, nakarating din kami. Ayan, oh. May paswan sila guys. May paswan. May paswan pa. Sana all. Oh, sorry kay Dudong, oh. Oh, hindi ka pa nag-shower, Dong. Kay. Hungry ka na, Kay? Where do you wanna go again? Can you tell them where you wanna go?
Sure.
Yeah.
I want to go to the oldest wooden schoolhouse right here.
Mm-hmm.
And then we want to go to Castillo de San Marcos because
Uh-huh.
in school
Yeah.
in reading we learn to say Augustine.
Yeah.
They show the oldest school.
Yeah.
Get out.
Okay, let's see this one. City of St. Augustine. Oh. Sige. Oh, yan ang tour. Look at the tour, kay. Yan ang tour. Ta-da! Oh, come on. Let's go, come on. Come on, let's go, okay. Oh, wait, this first. What is this? Baho. St. Augustine Wall. Oh, okay, video muna si Kay.
Are you gonna take a picture or video?
Wait, I'm gonna do video first. Hi, Kay.
Madam,
Sige na, go na.
They're
you're heading south. Actually.
what are they saying? Wait, what is it called?
Migrating. Buang to. Kamakbuang yung kapatid mo, yan.
O, labas. Dito. Yan, video mo yun, no?
Nalaro na ako kanina.
We already been there.
Dito
Yeah.
na, bigyan na dito.
Kanina na videoan ko na yan.
Pwede pa lang mga doon, mga barko eh. Ay? Ha? Sana. Yeah. Wait.
You're gonna get run over.
Yeah.
Yay! Max na pula. Let's go! Okay, yes! Si Dado. Let's go! Max na pula. Yes.
Max na po na. Tingnan muna tayo.
Kuya, Maxes na.
Yan,
You can hear it.
may kalamansi ko yan.
Uy, may kalamansi juice, Kuya. Your favorite. Kuya's favorite. Kalamansi
Sagot gulaman.
juice. Oh, wow. I want sagot gulaman.
Thank you, ma'am. Yan.
Thank you.
Yung ano, no? Thank you.
Thank you. Yay! Sagot gulaman. Chicharong bulaklak.
Tanggalin mo yung mga kutsara.
Sausawan. Favorite ni Dodong yun. Yung favorite, Dong? Ini pang Facebook ko yun. Chicharon bulaklak, guys. It's your first time, Kuya? Is it good?
It's my first time too.
Try it, Kay.
People like it.
Do you like it?
How is it?
Is the asim, the suka is too much? Is it good? You like it or no? Parang ayaw ni Kay, ah.
What is that kind? Chicharong, bulaklak ko lang. Hello? Bulaklak.
Oh, yummy. Pork sisig. Wow. Ooh, shabaw. Pansit. And barbecue. Thank you. Yay.
Why is it so like this? Like,
Isling yan.
Sizzling. Hot. It's hot.
But how come the one you make is like square?
It's very like chop. They chop it like. Iyan ako, isa, magano ko, sapin mo na ko.
Yeah, kuha ka.
Dad, you want the rest of this?
Anong part gusto mo, kuya? Lagyan kita.
I could only drink.
Ano daw plate number mo?
Ha? Hindi ka alam.
Ano, picture natin yan.
Ano ba yan?
Ano ko nakawin ako?
Papi? Look at the treasury. Look at that.
Mommy,
Yeah, papi.
where's church?
Yun, nandun. Mamaya pa 9 o'clock ang mas.
Mom, Dad said the old school was near the parking lot.
Oh, yeah?
I saw the street that was near the old school.
Mas.
Though the other one is at home.
Why is it half mass?
What does it mean if it's half?
Someone died or something. Saan na si daddy mo? Hindi ka na, punta tayo doon sa bridge. Let's go doon sa bridge. Oh, may canyon dito kayo. Oh, canyon. Push it, Kay. Push it. With your elbow. Elbow.
It's not even working.
Okay.
You do it then.
Elbow talaga. Ay, walang tao. Morning, guys. Morning pa kasi, guys. You need to toot. Oh, go.
Mom, watch out!
Let's go to the bridge muna, Kay. Come on. Let's go to the bridge. Just picture on the bridge. Where's your dad? Nasaan na siya? Ando na siya.
If your phone falls into the water,
Then goodbye phone. Once it fell to the water, no more phone.
Oh, you
Huh?
gotta dive in there.
No way, man. I'm gonna buy a new one. I have a warranty. You know that. Ha, kuya, ha? La, si dati mo. Sige, tawid. Sagasaan ka dyan. Oh, nice boats. Okay, oh. Sabi niya, Port of St. Augustine, oh. 1924. Oh. 1924, kuya. Oh, tingnan mo yung boat niya, maliit. Kasama niya yung dog, Kay. Dali, kasama niya yung dog. Nasa boat sila na maliit, kuya. Sabi yung daddy mo, nakita daw siya ng dolphin kanina eh. O yan, dito tayo picture. Oh, see? This is the picture area. Oh. Saan na si Daddy? Taray ni Daddy. O kaway pa sa camera. Bridge of Lions. Ito tag dito. Si Kuya utot na utot.
That wasn't me. That was
The neighbor.
That was a woman who was on, but it was a man.
I thought it was a KK that was running. It was a man.
Okay na si... Yan na si Daddy, oh. So we are here, Plaza. Man. Hey, go. Picturein ako dito sa gitna. Last time nagpicture ako dito. Walang sasakyan, no? Dad, picture mo kami ni Ivan. Dito. Pasok tayo dyan, no? Pasok tayo dyan, Han. Sige, pasok ka doon kay picture. Go. Come on, let's go. Picture tayo.
But it's not even nighttime.
It's fine. We're going back home. Oh, tingin na ka, Daddy.
Smells like
Yeah. So nice. You wanna eat breakfast here?
Did you see the fluffy?
Oh, there's Mrs. Claus in there. Yeah. Tumae ka na, Dad. Gusto mo tumae? Ito yung saging nila. Buhay na buhay talaga yung mga saging.
Sagging?
Yeah, banana eh.
No sagging.
Banana.
Who wants to wait?
Oh, mga turista oh. Wow, mga turista.
Cool. Where's school? We're gonna go to school. Sagging. Sagging.
Ayun yata kayo. Ayun oh, yung small house doon oh. Yun oh, yung wooden school.
Tayo mo na ako, madam.
Ay, Diyos me, Mariman.
No, it has to be like fully. It's not a wooden school now.
How did you know? Halika.
The school is small.
Halika. Small siya oh. Halika, tingnan natin.
No, this is not. This is a restaurant. It literally says Columbia Restaurant.
What's the street? Asan yung map mo kasi?
It's in George Street.
Oh, ito. George na nga to. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Squid. Squid.
Ito yun. The smallest school. This is it, Kay. Ito oh. Ang liit oh. That's it.
No, that's not the school. It should be all brown and there
Uh-huh.
should be flowers on the top with.
Ayun, doon oh, sa kabila. Doon. This is George Street. Ikaw talaga, Kay. Anong magagawa ko? Hindi mo kala kumain ka ng ano, sisig. Magcha-church muna tayo, kuya.
Where are we eating after church?
Jollibee.
That's it?
Yeah. Then we go home. Ayan, may flowers. Ayan, Kay. Yung may flowers sa top. That's it. The Auntie Anne's, where the old school is.
No, that's not it.
That's it. Look, it has the thingy.
It should be all black.
See.
There shouldn't be that thing.
Casa
There
Nicolas.
should be a window and then flowers.
Oh. Okay, this is Suarez McHenry house.
This is not.
Oh. It's the Auntie Anne's. Okay. Let's find the school, what you're saying. It could be on the other side. Maybe it's on the other side, not this way. Guys, we're trying to find the oldest wooden school. Okay. Oldest wooden school. Where is the oldest wooden school?
What is it? College.
Oh, Flagler College. Yeah, it's a tour. We wanna take the tour. Oh, Oliveros. Oliveros. Tito PJ, oh, Oliveros house. What else?
Mimi.
Asan? San si Mimi? Ah, Mimi's Crepes. I like that.
Mimi's famous
Crepes. Yeah. Dito tayo kumain last time. Dito.
Golden Crown. Barbie house.
What is this pink house? Interesting.
That's Barbie.
It's Barbie house.
Huh? Who said Barbie house?
You didn't know that, huh?
No, it's not a Barbie house.
Barbie house.
Wait, it's one of the pink house.
Yeah, it's not a Barbie house. Let's see what it is.
No, it's Barbie.
The Mesa Sanchez House. Oh, University of Florida. Archaeological data. I think it's gone, Kay. Casa Avero.
Oh, Whetstone chocolate. What chocolate?
Is it open now? It says bakery, cafe. It's open. Yeah. Bakery. Is it open now? I smell yum yum. I smell yum yum, guys. Oh, the Salcedo house, guys. Former house of George. Yes. Is here? El Camino Real. Oh. Oh. Did you find the oldest house, my lab? Did you find your oldest house? Florencia House, number 33. Smells good here, guys. Getting hungry now. Oh, the oldest house. Number 27, Gomez House. Oh, this one is old, Kay. This is the old one. That's scary. Yeah, that's a real wood, kuya. Nasaan na, Kay? Yung oldest schoolhouse. Saan, Kay? Is it the pink one? Ayan na, Castillo. Dito pala yung Castillo. Oh. Ayan o, Castillo. Oh. There o. Which one? Which one? Asan? Ito? Ito? Crystal? This one, Kay? Where? Oh my gosh. Look at it. That's so scary, Kay. The oldest. Ito pala entrance nyo, oh. Oh, free diploma daw, Kay. Ka-graduate ka na dito. $7. $7.97 ang entrance. Wow. We can go inside, but they're not open yet. You're not open yet. Later.
It's for my class.
Oh, yeah? Oh, wait. Video muna. Video first. And then I give you, oh. Okay, picture. Wait.
The church's one foundation. That's number 736.
Sa Mindanao Road, ah. Oh, Mindanao Road.
Ay, lobat.
Mura lang, $4 lang. Ay, gusto ko to. Favorite ko to. Meron sila tortillas, guys. May pillows. Ang favorite ko, guys. Moby.
Ito.
Meron silang and cheese. Ano yan, Dong?
Ito.
Uy, shoot. May mangwan. Okay, mangwan. Ito gusto ko. Ito, mangwan. Mangwan. Ano pa?
Ito, paborito ni Kay.
Anong gusto mo? Anong gusto niya? Ayan, sige, lagay mo, sige. Yan ba o yung malos?
Okay.
Ano? Kailan expiry?
Hindi ko alam.
Ito, gusto to ni Kay.
Bago naman, super. Hindi mo.
December pa yata yung DX. Oh, may Nova, oh. Si favorite ni Iam Analo yung mo. Oh, crackling. Oh, may chicha corn sila. Chicha corn. May munchers, guys. Kaso ang mahal. Kaya pagod ng lola niya. $2.99 yung munchers. It's too expensive, boy. Stick, oh. Oh, may Cropek. Akalain mo may Cropek. Ito yung kain. Ito bibili natin, guys. Itong real Cropek sa bus, oh. Oh, di ba? Sa bus. Yan yun. Oh. Oy, may lapids. Yummy. Oh my gosh, guys. Meron silang Hansel. Favorite ko to. Patay. Puno na naman ang cart natin, guys. Oh, may Argentina sila. Liver spread, oh. Wow. Wait to say no. Ube, oh. Halo-halo kayo dyan. Oh, may langka din, oh. Uy, mang beans. Oh my God, guys. Ang halo-halo, oh. Ano na? Oh, mamasitas, oh. Yun, oh, mang inasal, oh. Mang inasal, oh. Century tuna. Ayan, oh. Soy sauce. Oh, Hansel, naligaw. Namunta dito si Hansel. Weekends, Bakerson. 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 Jacksonville. Oh, mali. Meron silang ubi cake. Ubi coffee cake. Mukhang masarap. Try natin po. Paglathan.
Are the empanadas warm or cold?
Kaya pala bicho-bicho. Sabi ka na bicho-bicho. Bakit hindi na pala?
Ano, madam? Okay na ba?
Halo-halo.
Ha?
Halo-halo. May chocolate cream. Kaya mo ginagawa pa lang. Parang chocolate cream na lang.
Ano, madam? Okay na?
Halo-halo. Bakerson. Halo-halo. Okay guys, meron tayong halo-halo. Look at that. Ayun no. Oh. Halo-halo guys. Meron yang leche flan and ube ice cream. And lahat ng yum-yums guys. Lahat ng yum-yums from Bakerson. O, diba? Ayan. O, magigain na naman tayo. Tapos may workout na lang natin to guys. Yan, wala na naman na video ulit. Uwi na tayo dong? Uwi na?
7, pasok bukas.
Alas 7.
Ataw naman, kayod.
Ayan. Tapos na ang saya. Babalik sa problema. Uwi na guys. tayo.
Ayaw ko magsabi, take off lang natin.
Airplane man. Ang ganda ng sky pa oh. Ang ganda ng clouds. Kayang kalaw. Uy. Yan, natignan guys ang bridge. Oh,
Uy, daw si Ivan.
look. Ay,
Rest area doon lumayo. Welcome to Florida.
Yeah, where do you go now?
Oh, ganda.
Yung goodbye Florida nakalagay.
Nakakit na tayo sa langit guys.